Good evening, everyone. I am here to read the today news by the DD News website. So, whole time MLA Mohan Majhi to be Odisha first BJP chief ministers. So, Bharatiya Janata Party BJP leader Mohan Charan Majhi will be the new chief minister of Odisha, and he was elected leader of the BJP legislative party of Odisha at a meeting held on Tuesday. The decision was announced by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh after the meeting of the party and newly. So, Modi 3.0 will take its effort for India's security to next level, sir. After assuming charge as Union Home Minister and Minister of Corporation on Tuesday, senior BJP leader Amit Shah said that the Modi government will blast India's security to the save as the bulwark against terrorism and nationalism. Shah took charge as Home Minister for the second consecutive term. Madhya Pradesh government approves 24,042 crore electricity subsidy over 46,000 new vacancies in health sector. The Madhya Pradesh government on Tuesday approved a subsidy of around INR 24,420 crores on electricity for different categories for consumers and over 46,000 new vacancies in the health sector in the state. Proposal for these initiatives were tabled as the state cabinet meeting in. IMD forecast intense heat wave in east and northwest India, heavy rainfall in Maharashtra and Karnataka. The India Meteorological Department IMD has forecasted intense heat wave condition over east and northwest India for the next 4 days. Additionally, extremely and heavy rainfall is expected over regions including central Maharashtra, Goa and coastal Karnataka. Amit Shah takes charge as Union Home Minister of second consecutive terms. Senior BJP leader Amit Shah took charge as the Union Home Minister and Minister of Corporation on Tuesday, marking his second consecutive terms at the help of the crucial Home Minister. Expressing gratitude to Prime Minister Narendra Modi for reposing his trust, Shah said in a post of gratitude. PM Modi receives congratulatory calls from Emir and Qatar, both leader reform commitment to further strengthen ties. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Emir of Qatar, Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani, held a telephonic conversation on Tuesday, during which they reaffirmed their commitment to further strengthen between the two countries. According to a statement released by the Prime Minister, universities in India can now admit students twice a year online of foreign universities. UGC chairman, India University and Higher Education Institute can be admit students twice a year, similar to the admission process followed by the foreign universities according to the University Grant Commission UGC. Chairman M. Jagdesh Kumar, the two admission cycle of the commerce. And that's all. Thank you very much.